Hello everyone. So today our topic is area of circle. So if you want to find the area of circle, so first of all, of course, you have to know that what's the formula for area of circle. The formula for area of circle is like area equals to pi multiply r square, pi r square. So r square we can write like this. So this is something like that. If we have the area equals to pi and then r and then r. So here you can use some power function also. Pi can be the static value. So we will see that what we have to do. So this is our formula that we will use for area. So area equal to pi multiplied by r radius and this is r. So this is our formula. So we will follow the same sequence that I have discussed in my old videos also. So the sequence is like, so first thing is declaration, then initialization. So declaration of variables, initialization of variable, then we have the formula, and then we have the print out output on the screen. Okay, so we will start from declaration. So for declaration, of course, the area of circle can be the pointing value. So we will do something like float, radius, and then area. So see guys, we have the declaration of two variables, that is the radius and the area. Now initialize. For initialization, I am saying that we can statically initialize, but I will say that take the value from the user. Okay. So for taking the value from the user, what I will do? First, some message to the user so user can understand that what he or she is going to enter in this section. Okay, so what we will say that enter the value for RADI radius, and then we have to write C in here, and in the C in we will save that value that user will enter into the variable that we declared with float variable radius. Now the next thing is formula. So we have like another variable, we will save our result in that variable. Area equals to, now pi value is 3.14, we can write like this, multiply, and then we have a radius radius, spelling should be same that we have declared, and then multiply radius radius and then terminate. This is I am just writing the formula, and then see out, show results on the screen. So here I will write enter. Next line, it's not required, but I am writing. Okay, so here I will write the variable name, and there I will write area of circle is, okay, so this is the value from the variable, and L is not required because we don't have anything in the next line, but still I am just writing. So just run the code, and it will ask for enter the radius. I am entering the radius, and see guys, the area of circle is this 12.56. Now I just want to change two things in front of you guys. First thing is, see, this is the static value, and the value of pi will never change. Okay, so the value, if the value is not going to be changed into whole program or anything, then you can define that constant like this. So see, pi is the constant, and you are defining that pi. Okay, so we will use that pi, and let's see what happened. Again 2, and see, so what I did, because I know that the pi value never change, and even you are not able to change pi value into your program. See, if you want to change the value of pi here, pi equals to 10, see, it is giving you the error. It is giving you the error because this one is the static value and you are not able to change that value. If you want to change the value of radius, see, so what happened? Radius, see, so radius is not a static variable. See, so you can change the value. This is the static value you are giving. So see, if I will give the value 0, if I will give the value 0, so technically the answer should be 0, but it is 314. Why? Because after taking my value, it is overwritten by the static value that I give. So the meaning of the thing is that you are not supposed to be changed that constant value, and you are not allowed to do into the C++. Okay, so if you are defining any constant, so your program will restrict to change that constant value. Okay, and the constant value, of course, also assign the constant value to that specific thing, that is the whose value is not going to be changed. Okay, you don't need to make the radius as a constant, because radius can be the anything. One more thing is, guys, you can use that power function, because see, I just write a variable two times, so here you can use the power function. So for the power function, we have to use the library cmath. And if here you want to use the power of radius, comma, how much power to. Okay, now I am running the program and I am writing 2, and see, guys, the answer is the same. So what I did, I used the power function, because if in the value, in the formula, there is something like r cube or r tetra or r the power 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30, so of course this is not a good way to write that value too many times. Okay, so if there is square, you can write two times, but if there is 10 or 20, so that this approach is not good at that point. So then you can use that power function. But just have a look, if you will not use this library, so is your power function works? I think it is running the old one. Okay, debug, debug, start debugging. Technically it should not work, but let's see why it's working. Uh-huh. Okay, just wait a while. If I am making this comment, okay, then if I am making this comment, okay, guys, so that power function is working for me without the CMath. Okay, so technically I was thinking that maybe it will not work, but it is working with the what we can say, that it is working without CMath. Maybe it is somewhere in the Visual Studio. But just try by yourself and have a look that if your power function is working without CMath or not, and what happened. Okay, so I think this is all about my today's video. So if you like my video, just subscribe my channel and press the like button. And thank you, guys. Thank you for joining this one tutorial. See you guys. Bye.